Welcome to this essential training on the principles of management. These foundational concepts are crucial for anyone aspiring to lead or understand organizational success. They provide a framework for effective decision-making and efficient operations. Understanding these principles helps you navigate complex business environments. They offer timeless wisdom applicable across various industries and organizational structures. Mastering them is a key step in developing your leadership capabilities. The systematic study of management principles began in the early 20th century. Pioneers like Henri Fayol and Frederick Taylor laid much of the groundwork. Their insights transformed how organizations were structured and operated. Fayol, a French mining engineer, is particularly known for his 14 principles. These principles were derived from his extensive experience in managing large industrial undertakings. They remain highly relevant, even in today's dynamic world. Let's delve into some of Henri Fayol's most influential principles. Each principle offers a unique perspective on effective organizational governance. They are interconnected and contribute to overall efficiency. Division of work. This principle suggests that work should be divided among individuals and departments. Specialization leads to increased efficiency and improved output. It allows employees to become experts in their specific tasks. Authority and responsibility. Managers must have the authority to give orders. This authority comes with corresponding responsibility for the outcomes. Accountability is essential for effective leadership. Discipline, obedience, respect for authority, and adherence to rules are vital. Discipline ensures the smooth functioning of an organization. It fosters a productive and orderly work environment. Unity of command. An employee should receive orders from only one superior. This prevents confusion and conflicting instructions. It ensures clear lines of communication and accountability. Unity of direction. All activities with the same objective should be directed by one manager. This ensures a unified plan and coordinated effort. It prevents duplication of effort and resources. Subordination of individual interest to general interest. The interests of the organization must take precedence. Personal goals should not override the collective objectives. This fosters a sense of shared purpose. Remuneration. Employees should receive fair wages for their services. Fair compensation motivates employees and ensures their satisfaction. It contributes to a positive work environment. Centralization. This refers to the degree to which authority is concentrated. The optimal balance between centralization and decentralization depends on the organization's size and context. It impacts decision-making speed. Scalar chain. This is the line of authority from the highest to the lowest ranks. It defines the formal communication channels within an organization. Adherence to this chain ensures order. Order. A place for everything and everything in its place. This principle applies to both material and human resources. It promotes efficiency and reduces wasted time. Equity. Managers should be kind and fair to their subordinates. Treating employees justly fosters loyalty and dedication. It builds trust and a positive organizational culture. Stability of tenure of personnel. High employee turnover is inefficient. Organizations should strive to retain skilled employees. Stability leads to increased productivity and experience. Initiative. Employees should be encouraged to take initiative. This fosters creativity and innovation within the organization. It empowers individuals to contribute new ideas. Esprit de corps. Promoting team spirit and harmony among employees is crucial. Unity and cohesion strengthen the organization. It builds a positive and collaborative work environment. While formulated decades ago, these principles remain highly relevant today. They provide a robust framework for understanding organizational dynamics. Modern management theories often build upon these foundational ideas. Applying these principles helps leaders create efficient, ethical, and productive workplaces. They guide decisions on structure, communication, and employee relations. They are adaptable to various contemporary challenges. The principles of management are more than just historical concepts. They are practical tools for effective leadership and organizational success. Understanding and applying them will significantly enhance your management capabilities. Continue to explore and reflect on how these principles manifest in real-world scenarios. Your journey in management begins with a solid grasp of these timeless foundations. We wish you success in your studies and future endeavors. Like, share the video,